Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore affiliate landing pages with Linktree and tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Linktree account. If you don't have an account, visit the Linktree website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to your Linktree dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Add New Link button. Click on it to start creating your landing page. In the title field, enter a name for your landing page. In the URL field, enter the destination link for your affiliate product. Consider using a tracking link if you are using an affiliate program. To create a tracking link, use URL shorteners like bit.ly or your affiliate platform's built-in tracking features. Once you have your tracking link, paste it into the URL field on Linktree. Next, customize the appearance of your link by selecting a matching color or icon. Make sure to enable the link by toggling the switch next to it. You can add multiple links by repeating the previous steps for each product or service. After setting up your links, click on the Settings option in your dashboard. Here, you can adjust your profile settings, like your username and profile image. To monitor link performance, check for the Analytics section in your Linktree dashboard. This will show you clicks and engagement metrics for each link. After completing all these steps, your affiliate landing page is now ready. Share your Linktree URL on your social media platforms, emails, or blogs. Regularly update your links to ensure they reflect your current offers and promotions. Review the analytics periodically to assess performance and make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.